Hello lovelies, and welcome back again to my channel. Today's video is on this amazing hair growth mixture I recently discovered, and I'm super excited to share with you all. Well, I've been using this mixture for quite some time now, and I can tell you it really does a great job in strengthening and conditioning the hair, plus soften thick hair. And whenever I use this mixture, I don't even bother to apply conditioner to either my hair or Pretty Imisi's hair. All the products I used in this video were all bought from my local store. You could check with your local store if they have it, or you could order online. If you ever find time to try out this product, you could share with me or leave me a comment in the comment section if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to reply every question you have. So if you really want to have the desired hair you want in terms of the growth, the thickness, or the length of hair you want, you should know that you need to feed your hair. Just as we eat food, our hair needs to also be fed with the right nutrients, and this nutrient comes from oils. It comes from different hair products that are healthy to the hair. All right, guys, one of these nutrients or one of these hair mixture is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, what I'm doing right now. And yeah, shea butter, Jamaican castor oil, all these help to improve your hair. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, as usual, don't forget to love this video if you ever come across this video. And if it's your first time you stumbled on my video, please and please don't leave without subscribing to my channel, and also share my content with your friends, your families, and your loved ones. Okay, thank you so much. We love you, and continue to love on us, continue to share our content all over the world, and continue to subscribe to our channel. All right, I think I've been talking too much. All right, I'll stop talking. Okay, you must watch this video. You must watch it. You must subscribe to my channel. You have to subscribe to my channel. You must share my content. Share my content. Did you get that? All right, this is our hair product. It is solidified. And I'm gonna be showing you how to apply it on your hair. And our model today is, as usual, Pretty Missy. Okay, guys, it's just apply every day on your hair. There's no special method of applying the mixture on your hair. Just apply generously on the hair, like generously on the hair. Generously, don't be stingy. It apply generously on your hair, and make sure you completely massage. You massage it down to the scalp of your hair up. Yeah, to make sure that there is, it has this consistency, and then comb it. Yeah. Okay, guys. I've been talking too much. I want to stop talking, but I just feel like talking. Alright, guys. You see, I didn't have to apply conditioner. I just started combing, and it's so soft. Makes the hair so soft. Ah, what else do I have to say now? Alright, bye. Okay, guys, before you go, there is also one promo I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you the hairstyle we made from this amazing tutorial. Amazing tutorial. Oh, you can't wait to see that hairstyle, guys. Oh my goodness. See Pretty Missy. She's always eating in the video. She's always eating. She's always eating. Before we make this hair, like the Yoruba people will say, "Kumu don't have a body to see." But to God be the glory, we always come out with, a beautiful hairstyle. This is the hairstyle we made today, and isn't she looking amazing? Yeah, she's looking beautiful. The video to this hairstyle will be posted very soon, and just be on the look for it. And okay, guys, think I've said a lot today. All right, see you in the next video. We love you. Bye.